Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Shipbob versus Shipmonk honest review video. So now let's dive right up. So if you are a startup versus established, for startups, Shipmonk may be a better option. But if you are an already established company where you need more features, then Shipbob might be a better fit. And if you are on a budget, then Shipbob might be better. But if you have more priority for like dedicated customer support and customized packaging options, all those advanced features, then Shipmonk is the way to go. Again, that's the same thing for cost as well. For cost, a Shipmonk may be the better option as they don't have a minimum order requirement, but businesses with higher budgets may benefit from Shipbob. Next up, we have order volume requirements. If you have low order, then go for Shipmonk, and if you have higher order, then go for Shipbobs since they have multiple warehouse locations. For growth plan, Shipbob may be the more suitable option for you, and for customer experience, then Shipmonk is better. Now, if you're reading the pros and cons, the pros for Shipbob is that they have lots of warehouse locations and then user-friendly interface, solid list of integrations, no order minimum, simplified pick and pack pricing. And the cons of Shipbob would be no guaranteed same-day shipping and then no liability for incorrect picks, which can suck. There are some hidden fees. You cannot view your fulfillment pricing, lack of support under 400 orders a month, high storage and implementation fees. B2B fulfillment gets expensive. They do not own warehouses within the SFN. For Shipmonk, the pros are multiple warehouse locations, easy to understand pick and pack rates, easy to use interface, main integration, reasonable storage fees. The cons: no same day shipping, which is the same as this one, hidden fees, same as this, $250 pick and pack minimum, relatively expensive pick and pack rates, and they cannot handle large spikes in volume. If we look at the things at a glance, for like speed commerce and all these things, so based on all of these pros and cons, I'll say go for the company that is better suited to yours, and then this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.